Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your speaker XIAOMI Sound Party. And let's get started with the controls at the back side. So right here we have the first one is the bass button. So if you want to bass boost, use bass boost, you need to single press at this button. Now we have the LED light, we just turn on it. If you don't need bass boost, just press again and we turn off it. Then we have Bluetooth button. If you press one time, your speaker should be turned on. You will enter to pairing mode and you can connect your speaker with your device. To disconnect it, you can do this on your device, on your phone or on PC, or using this control, and you need to press and hold at the Bluetooth button for at least 3 seconds. You will hear the prompt and you will disconnect it. Then we have the button to enter TVS mode. You need to single press at this button to enter TVS mode. And let's move to the controls at the top. So at the top right here, the left side, we have firstly power button is to turn on and turn off your speaker. Then we have volume down button would have a minus icon, and you need to single press at this button or press and hold to lower the volume. So as you can see at this widget, I press and now I'm press and hold and I lower it. Then we have volume up button, and again the same with volume down. You need to single press on it or press and hold and you will increase the volume. Between this button we have play pause button. So let me play some song and I will show it to you. So if you single press the play pause button, you'll play or pause the song. Single press, I just pause it, single press again, and I play the song. If you press 2 times, you will play previous track, next track. 1, 2, and I just did it. If you want to play previous track, you need to triple press at the play pause button. 1, 2, 3. Again, here we go, it worked. Also, with the play pause button, you can answer the call by single press at this button, and to finish the call you need to also single press at this button. If you want to reject a call, you need to press and hold at the play pause button. And the last one, you can also perform the factory reset using controls. And you need to press and hold at the same time play pause button and volume up button for at least 2 seconds. Then your speaker turn off and you need to reconnect it with your phone. If you still don't know how to perform the factory reset, at this channel we have video about it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!